Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Great day today, and we had a bit of snow earlier this morning, but it mostly just accumulated on some grassy surfaces. That's actually how we're going to finish the evening as well. We transition back to a chance of snow. Here's Muskegon currently. You can see quite quiet. We don't have nearly enough precipitation in the Muskegon area to even show up on the cameras, but a chance of snow will continue for the next several hours. Temperatures are going to be slowly falling down close to freezing, if not just below, and our wind is going to be coming in out of the north at times. That's going to help to drag in some cooler air. The cool air kind of traps us for tomorrow. We expect a high of about 34 degrees, so technically colder than what we experienced today. It is going to be variably cloudy, and we could see a sprinkle or two for Monday, but we're expecting mostly dry conditions, and the winds only at about 5 to 10. Now Tuesday, sunshine returns, but it will be breezy. Winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So Tuesday might actually feel a little colder at times than Monday. The sunshine will help things out though. And then Wednesday is our next potential low chance of snow. Here's Storm Track Live currently. You can see the swirl in the feature. So we actually have the center of circulation right over southwest Michigan as we speak. And this is going to continue to drop down to our south, giving us a few snow flurries to finish out 2023. Again, at midnight, there's a chance that we could see pure snow. So it'll almost be like nature's confetti a bit as this storm exits. Hopefully the timing is perfect. But regardless, after it exits tonight, it should just leave us with mostly cloudy skies for Monday. High pressure is just off to our west, and that's one of the things that's going to help to give us sunshine for Tuesday. Here's your future cast. We're going to keep it wide here, and we're also going to go quite quickly because Monday, quiet, just a few clouds. But Tuesday, sunshine right out of the gate. So Tuesday might be one of those days that you need the sunglasses right away. Into Wednesday, we have a quick clipper system, and this looks like it's going to be good enough at dragging down some cold air, cold enough that we could see a few lake effect rain and snow showers. But on Wednesday, we're not expecting much accumulation. It's not really until we get later in the week that we have a better chance of seeing a decent system move in. So instead of a quick clipper, we're looking for these bigger ones that usually come out of the heartland and swing up into Michigan to actually deliver real snow. The thing is, if we look at the pattern change, it's looking more and more likely that we're going to be seeing a more active pattern. So even though we have a few small snow chances by the end of the week, an active pattern with bigger systems and colder air is looking to ramp up by January 14th. We'll keep you posted on that if anything changes. Here's some numbers just to kind of paint that visual and hit it home a little further. Wednesday, just a trace here, but then as we get into Saturday, Sunday, we start to see some of the bigger systems begin to move in with maybe 2 inches or more. So you can see Saturday, Sunday, we've kept it pretty tame at this point in time. However, I really think that things are going to start to kick into gear as we finish out the first week of 2024.